Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this short train video. And if you did, can you go thumbs up on it? Hit that thumbs up button on this video. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're into trains and you love trains a lot and you're a big train fanatic, hey, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty of them, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you will be notified. But today, this was filmed on Thursday, October the 12th, 2023. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a pleasant one. Take care. And thanks for watching, everybody.